Today we'll help you access the magic sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you want to add the magic sound effects to your video clip, make sure it's deselected by clicking on the timeline. Scroll to the right until you see the option Sound Effects. Underneath here, you want to scroll to the right until you see the option Magic. If you click one of the sound effects, and you click Capcut Mobile is going to preview each magic sound effect. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can click the plus icon on the right hand screen to add on the timeline. If you want to add multiple, do the same thing. Go to sound effects, click the plus icon, or should I say this is the before and this is the after.